Hello, I'm Michael Kirichenko. You're watching SkyWay News, where we report on the developments and implementation of breakthrough transport technologies. Today, we will not touch upon the issues that were explained in detail by the general designer of SkyWay Technologies company, Anatoli Unitsky, in the last interview with the news service, namely investments and projects in the United Arab Emirates. Instead, you will hear all the news about the creation of the SkyWay rolling stock. They're quite numerous this week. And you will also get to know about not quite usual aspects in the work of some design bureaus. There are more than 50 of them in our company, which is interesting for everyone who wants to dive deeper into the subject. And now more details about all this. It is well known that transmission of electric power through stationary conjugate parts of conductive elements has been used for a long time and everywhere. This process requires innovative solutions only when it comes to moving elements. In such cases, the standard solution for an uninterrupted power transmission is to try and increase the contact area of the parts. And for these purposes, typical solutions are the installation of brushes, washcloths, and parasitic runners. And what should be done if it is a question of interaction between the wheel and the rail? After all, the area of their contact is extremely problematic to change without deterioration of speed characteristics. However, SkyWay Technologies company has already found an answer to this question. Until recent times, batteries in the high-speed Unibus U4 were charged in much the same way as we charge our smartphones, through a charger by connecting it to the power supply of the required voltage. A method of charging batteries through a contact in a pair rail wheel of this vehicle has recently been tested, and quite promising results have been obtained. Based on these data, we can assume that it allows to introduce such a current collector into future projects of the Unitsky string transport. The tests have been carried out on a truss track structure designed for the movement of urban and high-speed vehicles with the participation of the so-called development mule, a testbed module created to treat the childhood diseases characteristic of any technical innovation, which has the exterior and carries the components of the vehicle to be tested. The design of the mule provides convenient access to them to identify and perform proper software or technical improvements. Tests of the Unibus were carried out in motion under load, when operating in various modes of power supply to motor wheels, including the charging of batteries while cruising. Only a year is left before one of the most important events in the Skyway history takes place, and thus we have started to develop a control system layout for our exhibits at Expo 2020, the World Exhibition that will be held from the 20th of October 2020 to the 10th of April 2021 in Dubai. Like any serious organization, SkyWay Technologies company approaches the wishes of customers individually. After studying all the feedback from visitors at various exhibitions where our transport had been showcased, we have developed a new version of an application for controlling the multimedia system and comfort in the vehicle cabin. The company has done a lot on working out the code for all control systems and a new visual style. An intuitively comprehensive interface has been successfully transferred to mobile platforms. Now you can create comfortable conditions for trips at different distances directly via your smartphone. This week, the Design Bureau on Fitting Accessories at SkyWay Technologies company has introduced a change to technical design specification on the sprinkling unit. Prepared a sketch of a machine for cleaning ice and snow from a railhead, also suitable for removing dust, sand and dirt, and put out a project on labeling products under development for tracking their life cycle. The whole staff of the Design Bureau Engineering Calculations have passed a seminar on higher MSc1 software skills, in particular on conducting acoustic tests at the modeling stage, which will significantly improve the efficiency of our company's operation at the stage of project designing. Such is our traditional brief report on the progress in the development of SkyWay technology over the past week. Follow the updates on the official SkyWay website, sign up to our SkyWay YouTube channel, support our project, and your efficiency will be very high at any stage of your life. Build SkyWay, save the planet.